After like a small chotusa break, I'm back again. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about serum. Now I got a lot of requests regarding what serums to use, what are the top 5 serums for hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, and even skin texture. So in today's video, I have summed up top 5 to 6 serums which are easily available in India, which are budget friendly, fragrance free, affordable, and can cater to a larger amount of audience. So stay tuned till the end to know all about the serums that I'm going to mention, and also you'll get like a short review kind of a thing. If you are seeing this space for the very first time, hi, I'm Maitri Haldar. I do make a lot of beauty related contents mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active, and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, especially my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. All of the serums that I'm mentioning are under 700 rupees or 600 rupees. One of them is a little bit expensive, but most of them are very affordable. Now, going straight with the serums that I'm going to mention, some of the products you have already seen in my previous videos and some of them are quite new. The first product I'm going to mention is from Minimalist, again one of my favorite brands recently, and this is their vitamin C serum. Now why I'm mentioning this serum, because vitamin C is a type of active that can go pretty well with any kind of skin concerns. You have antioxidants such as vitamin C, can help you with the pigmentation, scarring, little bit of uneven skin texture, even tanning, and also giving you that glow and brightening effect. This one from Minimalist has 10% vitamin C. Now it's not pure ascorbic acid, it's a derivative of it. So if you are a beginner who is just getting into vitamin C world, then it is great for you. A lot of time what vitamin C does is when you first initially apply on the skin, it sometimes makes your skin hot and tingly, but this particular vitamin C has a Centella asiatica based water or Cica water, so it does not gives you that hot and tingly sensation. Instead gives you a very nice refreshed kind of a feel. It does has a very watery gel like texture, not as thicker as compared to their other serums which have like aloe vera base. So this is the reason why I love this, as they also come in like UV protected bottles now, and this one is a finished product of mine, but I'll soon repurchase it. It also does has AG 1%, and AG is basically acetylglucosamine, which is a precursor of hyaluronic acids, and precursor of hyaluronic acids such as AG forces your skin to produce more hyaluronic acid from within, and both of them combined together does gives you that antioxidant power as well as that hydration. So this particular serum is yes for anyone who has like skin tanning issues, hyperpigmentation, acne scarrings, does has a lot of uneven skin texture. A serum like vitamin C, most people suggest that you can only apply it on the PM, but I oppose to that. You can apply vitamin C serum on any time of the day, either it being AM or PM. I will highly suggest you guys to use vitamin C on the AM time because it is an antioxidant and it does fights off free radicals which are mostly under the UV. So if you pair vitamin C with a good sunscreen, then both of them just protects your skin. This particular vitamin C retails for about 600 rupees, 699 rupees depending upon the sale, and you get about 30 ml, which is enough for I think 2 months of regular everyday 2 times a day kind of a usage, and you can pretty much apply the serum every single day for any of your skin concern that you might have. Coming on to the next serum, which is a little bit on a pricier side, but compared to the quality, it's still affordable. This is from Rovectin, and this is their Clean LHA Blemish Ampule. Now, any of you guys who has sensitive skin, acne prone skin, acne scars, like anything that concerns acne, and you being sensitive to acne fighting actives such as salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, this product is for you. Now this contains LHA, which is basically a milder form of BHA such as salicylic acid, and LHA has a lot more similar property to salicylic acid, but at the same time it is much more catered towards sensitive skin. Now this particular serum from Rovectin has a very nice serumy texture. It will hydrate your skin but won't make your skin sticky or grimy that you usually get from thicker serums. Also does have Centella asiatica and a lot of other good ingredients, and if I have review of any of the products that I'm mentioning, the direct link to buy those products and also the review link would be down in the bottom box below. Now this particular serum comes in 2 sizes, one the 15 ml one and the 30 ml one, so you can just try it once, see how your skin reacts, and then you can invest in that 30 ml one. The 15 ml one cost about 1500 to 1400 rupees and the 30 ml cost 3000 2000 to 2900 rupees. Kind of expensive, but you also get like cute stickers, so it just compromises. Plus the product quality is something that I always appreciate. Rovectin is a brand which is a little bit expensive, but the formulation and overall like usability of this product just like at parts with any of the products out there. Now who can use the serum? Anyone can use the serum. Even if you are a teenager, you can straight ahead go and use the serum if you have acne prone skin, and even if you are someone who is looking for a little bit of exfoliation with mostly like hydration, it also does gives you that dewy skin, like Korean dewy skin look. So yeah, this was my second recommendation. The next serum is again from Minimalist. Yeah, Minimalist has a lot of good serums, but this particular serum, when they initially launched, I thought that yeah, I don't need 2% hyaluronic acid in my life. Technically I still do not need 2% of hyaluronic acid in my life, but the overall formulation of this product is something that led me to suggest this product. Now this particular product has vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid 2% as its main active, but it also contains a lot of other humectants and a lot of other good ingredients. But why I am recommending this product is especially in the summers when we are under AC 24 hours a day, a product like this might help some of you guys if you use correctly. Now if you want to know more about hyaluronic acid, how it works, how it can work for you, how to use it correctly, you can see my actives in skincare playlist, in which you can know more about a particular active in detail. Now hyaluronic acid is a humectant, so you need to use it properly to get all the benefits, but this particular serum can be used by any one of you. If you have dehydrated skin, if you have normal skin, you want a really nice hydrating serum, you want to glow on your face, you want something that will just give you that dewy look, this serum is for you. Plus hyaluronic acid, when you use it for a prolonged period of time, then you might see a certain difference. Your skin will look much more healthier, much more plumper, and humectants has that amazing ability to give you that instant boost. So this particular serum, I would say just go for it if you want to just add one serum in your life that does takes care of the hydration. And if you do not have any other concerns such as like acne, rosacea, or any other thing, just you want a serum which will hydrate your skin, this serum is for you. This one also retails for about 600-500 rupees for 30 ml, which is bang for your buck, and you only need a couple of drops for you to get through the day. And I pretty much use it every alternate days on the nights. I layer it on top of my retinol sometimes to give it a little bit more hydration. So yeah, this is a very safe addition to any kind of skincare routine that you might be having. Coming to the next serum, which is from Deconstruct Skincare. This is their pore control serum, and I love this. Now this has combination of both niacinamide and salicylic acid, which screams to me poreless skin. Now if you have seen my poreless skin video, in that video I have gone much more detail about how pores work, how you can combat that, and how you can technically make your pores less visible. Now this particular serum, why it works is because it has two actives which are really great for your pores, which is niacinamide and salicylic acid. The reason why the combination just works is because first salicylic acid just cleanses off your pores, and niacinamide takes care that your pores are not clogged by making sure you produce less oil. Also like 10,000 more benefits that niacinamide has. But this particular serum is very mild, very gentle, yet very effective. It also has a nice liquidy texture, so you don't get that heavy feeling as most serums does. Coming to the price range, it is also very affordable. For 15 ml you pay about 399 rupees. I think they also have like bigger bottles, I'm not sure. It can easily last you for a month, and that's enough for me. And sometimes I do really appreciate the small chotu bottles. This product can be used by anyone who has like pore problems, clogged pore situation, a little bit of acne problem, a little bit of acne scars problem, and even if you are looking for a very mild chemical exfoliating serum, then this one is for you. Coming to the next product, which is quite new, and it is not technically a serum, not technically a toner. So this is basically a treatment, and this is from the brand Formula RX, and this is their PHA plus niacinamide plus glycinated azelaic acid serum or toner, whatever you might call it. First of all, the packaging, oh my god, it's such a simple packaging, yet I love it. It has like baby pink, and I love everything black and pink, so yeah. But this particular product has 3% PHA, 3% niacinamide, and 3% glycinated azelaic acid. Now why I am recommending this product is because many of you guys tell me that suggest me something that a beginner can go and buy and see visible result, and not just like actives on your face. This particular product does gives you visible result, guys. I have been using this product for at least 2 weeks now, and a little bit of texture that I was having was gone. Now PHA, if you are not familiar with it, are basically polyhydroxy acid. These are much more milder than AHA, but does a lot of similar work that AHA does without that irritation, because some people does face a lot of irritation when they apply AHA. And coming to niacinamide just works on like 1,000 different problems you have, from your pores, acne, rosacea, calming down your skin, and etc. and etc. And azelaic acid is again great for acne scars, PIH, PIE sometimes, and also it is really great for sensitive skin. So this combo of PHA, niacinamide and azelaic acid is such a bomb combo. I have not seen this combo anywhere apart from Formula X. I think I've seen like once or twice, but I have not tried those. So this particular serum, essence or toner, whatever you might call it, is a great choice for anyone who is intrigued to try. So this particular product retails for something about 699 rupees. I got it on sale for 559 from their website, but this comes in a 60 ml bottle and it can last you for about 1 month to 1.5 months if you use it every day. But I would suggest, if you are a beginner for using it every single day, just stick to alternate days a week, and then you can like switch it up according to your needs. This serum is great for anyone who has like bumpy texture and overall textured skin, and you have like tiny small bumps, a little bit of milia, and also like overall pore problem. If you have, this particular product will solve most of the concern that you might be having. Coming to the last recommendation is again a minimalist product. Now why I'm recommending this, for 2 reasons, is because first, it is very affordable, and second, it just works. This is the tranexamic 3% plus HPA from Minimalist. Now tranexamic acid, some people are not familiar with it, but this particular acid just works on any type of skin pigmentation problem that you might have without giving you any kind of irritation. And if you guys are scared of alpha arbutin being a skin lightener, and you are scared of kojic acid being a skin lightener, then this product is for you. It can also be called a skin lightener, but it does not block the melanin like alpha arbutin does. It takes care of the scars. If you want to know more about tranexamic acid, then you can see my review of it. But this particular serum, it doesn't has a watery texture, but also doesn't has an oily texture. It lies somewhere in between. So if you have oily skin, you might find it uncomfortable at first, but if you have like dry combination, and even if you have a little bit of oily skin, this particular product will suit you. It takes care of the minor acne scars, a little bit of hyperpigmentation that you have around your mouth, and also a little bit of under eye problems. This particular product will solve it. It also does has a lot of good ingredients that you can see in my review, and this particular product also retails for about 600-500 rupees for 30 ml, and this is such a bang for your buck. I'm almost on a verge of finishing this product, using this product for about 3 months, 4 months maybe, and yeah, I can vouch for this product, and it is one of the best product that Minimalist has. So hey guys, these were all my recommendation in terms of serums. I can do like many other parts of this series, so let me know how you think about this video in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends who is looking for a serum that can potentially solve their skin concern, and lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.